Right, recapping the GJ trade from this morning. Right, so last night while doing a nighttime analysis, I noticed that we've had a new low of week peak formation that's been created in the London session. We've had a break in structure from the London highs. Also now, because this low of week peak formation is on Tuesday, this now could be the low of week because this is also happening below the prior week's low. So now the prior week's high could potentially be hit. It's just a thesis at the moment, no entries. Right, coming today, this morning, into the London session, what I've seen is we've had a high and a low created from last night's New York session and a consolidation. In the London session, we've had a spike below the Asian session on a lower day for a false break reversal. Going down a 5 minute now for the entry, so that's what I'm looking for coming into today due to the lower of week peak formation and the break in structure. I'm looking for a nice consolidation or a 3-level pullback for then a stop hunt or a false break reversal. We've got the W formation, which is a normal W with a big engulfment hammer closing back above the EMAs. It's only closed a little bit back above, so if you didn't want to enter, you could wait, but the entry was there. Stop loss below the lows, below that low. Then come down, bearish engulfment. There's quite a lot of heat into the trade. It won't be the best. 2 more candles then, 3 more candles after, 15 minutes after, and then we've got an actual nice, most of the body has broken the EMA. This now indicates that price is likely to blow off, and that would be the prime entry. But if you did want to get in here, you could have. What you could have done is waited for the high of the candle to be broken, because only say 20% of the candle has actually broken the EMA, while here around 70% of the candle has. Then price blew off. Around here I was looking to take a little bit of profit because of a third drive, 1, 2, 3, but we've had a pin hammer and price has just continued higher. You'll be taking profits then at the end of the session and coming into the new session at 3.5%, and then you can hold the rest higher, which prices then happen then. So going on to the 15 minute, if I go into real time now, if you see from here now, from the first green session, the money will be at the prior day's highs, so that could be the overall target, but because this is a 1 to 5 off the measured move of the small consolidation period, the first expansion level, that's all you really need. I could hold now until the prior week's high, which would take price up into that level there for a 1 to 23 risk to reward, which you can hold a small trailer for that long. You don't want to be holding the whole position, just in case obviously it pulls back. But yeah, that is an amazing trade. There's also the exact same setup over on Euro JPY. It's the exact same setup, just a little bit of different variation. We've had a new peak formation at the low of the week with 3 drives into the low. Then coming into the London session again, we've had the consolidation sideways. We've had the low of the day in Asia. For London, the spike, the low of the day. Going down to the 5 minute. We've then had the small candle closing above the EMA, but because it's only just closed above, we'll be looking for the break of the wick and then the entry. And this is the entry candle that's closed about basically 100% over it. Your stop loss is going to be a bit below at 20 pips. This pin hammer would be the perfect entry. We are already in the market while that presents. We've got 1 drive, 2 drive, 3 drive, but the difference here is you are only in 2% profit, so there's no point in taking, you could move your stop loss to break even, but there's no point in taking the majority off. You could take a small bit off. And then coming into the end of the London session, starting the New York session, prices blew off to the upside to take profit out from the high of the week. Now Tuesday again being the low of the week, this could be the lower week, this could hold. But it was 2 perfect trades. For me, GJ set up better, but there was both perfect potentials from the peak formation low of the week being day 1. So now this is day 2. So we've got day 2, low of day second. Same here, got day 1, day 2. Now potentially tomorrow, obviously I don't really know what's going to happen tomorrow, we'll have to wait and see. It could potentially be day 3, price could come up high, we're at the high of the week now. If we get a consolidative market, a new peak formation, we could be going back down tomorrow, but we'll have to wait and see how the market sets up.